Come on. So one of the real joys of owning a dog is what happens when I get home from work every day. Hello? Hello? Oh. Come here, come here, come here. Okay, mini postbag time. There's 3 parcels have arrived today and I can't even remember what I ordered. So let's have a look inside and see what we've got. So the first one we've got, right, okay. This is a P38 can opener like you get in ration packs. What that little bit there is for. It's like a peeler, it's like a sharp bit there. It's almost like a potato peeler. I wonder if that's what that's supposed to be. Oh well. Anyway, so we've got that can opener, and earlier in the week I did actually also order a stab type can opener and a butterfly type can opener. So we've got a choice of can openers now, and we'll just start making guest appearances for these on Weird Stuff in a Can. And over time I think we might grow a bit of a collection. So if you've got any ideas about different can openers I should try, especially on Weird Stuff in a Can, then do post a comment and let me know. Send me a link maybe. Okay, so that's can openers. What's in this big one then? Let's have a look. It's got lots of padding. I genuinely cannot remember what I ordered. Ah, yeah. Okay. So, wow. Okay, we're going to be reviewing this a bit later, but we've got here Ending Man console. Now this is one of these retro games consoles with lots of Super Nintendo or Famicom games hacked onto it. Cable to plug into the TV as well as a little screen, and 2 wireless controllers to go with it as well. So I don't know how many of the games on there are 2-player, but there we go, and it's got some sockets there to plug. I presume that's to plug in that, and maybe something, maybe headphones or something as well. So yeah, okay, yeah, it's headphones, that's the video output. Okay, well, we'll do a full review of that a bit later, but these feel really plasticky and I don't know really what to expect there. But there you go, that's my Ending Man games console, and I think I'll put the price on screen. I can't remember how much I paid for that, but I'll put the price up on the screen. So the last one, and again, can't remember, I just ordered a bunch of stuff this week and I can't remember what half of it is, so let's have a look and see what we've got here. It feels quite heavy actually. Oh yeah, okay. So this is not what I thought it was actually. That's got some bits missing, I think. That was supposed to be part of a clamp for a camera tripod. It's supposed to be like a bit that goes on there, which is like an arm for a camera tripod. At least that's what I thought I was getting. I'll put a picture of what I thought I was getting up on the screen. So what I've actually got is just a little clamp with a 1/4 inch and a 3/8 screw thread in there, which camera or microphone screws will go into. It seems quite solidly made. The notion with this was to be able to have something that I can take out with me for fixing my camera to things out in the wild, so maybe to a tree branch or to my walking stick. I have already got a camera clamp that I use when I go out walking, but it's a bit awkward to use, so I was expecting to have something with a bit of like a thing that goes on there. but it hasn't got one. So anyway, so that's that. So that's Postbag. So I think we'll do a review of that game console quite soon. Another little bit of post has arrived. This came, I think, either from Banggood or GearBest. I can't remember which, but I'll clarify that on the screen. Let's have a look and see what we got here. This is a little credit card multi-tool. Quite a sharp edge there. Not that sharp though. I think that's meant to be a saw, bottle opener, spanner, something else. Don't know. But this is the bit I'm interested in, because this little piece here is a can opener. And so this is going to join my collection of can openers for weird stuff in a can. Oh, here we go. We've got a key that tells us what these things are. So, yeah, of course it does. Okay, well, perhaps somebody would love to translate that for me. Never mind. It's a lovely little thing. It was less than £1 to buy. There's a screwdriver on the corner there, I've just noticed. It's made of stainless steel. It's really a novelty item. I don't think it's actually all that practical. I don't think you're going to be cutting many trees down with that thing. But anyway, I only want it for this corner, which is the can opener, which is going to be a guest can opener on Weird Stuff in a Can. Okay, another bit of Postbag, and I can't for the life of me remember what it is I ordered. But when I identify it, I'll put it up on the screen. So let's have a look and see what we got. Ah, right, so it's a little headphone and microphone splitter for my laptop. My laptop only has a combined input, but I want to split the headphones and microphone out. I'd have thought I only ordered one of these, but it looks like another one of these little can opener things. So I must have been a little bit forgetful and ordered 2 of these can openers. So I'm going to give that away. So if you'd like me to send you that, just post in the comments. Please can I have the can opener, and you could win this. A few of you have been asking for updates on the palm trees. These are the palm seedlings, and I'm sad to say they're not doing all that well. Some of that is my fault. These are on a sunny windowsill and they have been allowed to dry out a bit too much, and so even these new leaves here have died off. Hopefully I haven't killed them, but I think they do actually need potting up now into bigger pots with a little bit more capacity for storing water. So let's get that done now. Right, so let's actually just have these out of the pots, or out of these temporary pots I made out of plastic bottles, and see what we've ended up with. Right, I used a very loose soil mix, but there we go. I shouldn't really have shaken off too much soil off the root ball like that, but the plant in there is still pretty healthy, but it does need some more space for its roots. So hopefully these pots will be fine. So I've got some John Innes potting compost. This is a soil-based potting compost, and I'm just going to put it in there. Nestle that plant down to the same depth it was before. And then just top it up with a bit more compost, like that. And then just for surface drainage, I've got some more gritty compost here, so I'm just going to put that on top like that, just so there's no water sitting around the neck of the plant. Same story with this one. I can't seem to actually get the plant out without disturbing the roots at least a little bit. Yeah, it has grown, but there we go. There's a very healthy looking root right there, so I think we're going to be okay. I'll plant those down to the same depth. Bit more compost on top. And then a bit of this gritty mixture around the top of the plant. There we go. Press that down nice and firm, make sure there's no air gaps in the soil. That compost is spent now, but it can go on a garden. These bits of plastic bottle can be washed out and they can go in my recycle bin. So I'm going to give these a good water now, and then I think I'll leave them out in the fresh air to enjoy a bit of outdoor fresh air. They are Eva. They are hardy in this country, so I've got no concerns about leaving them out. I may in fact leave them out for the summertime. Just give those a good water into their new soil, and then I think we'll just leave them here actually, because they'll need to drain. I think I might leave them outdoors now, or at least out here in the greenhouse. So that's the update on my poor little palm seedlings, which hopefully will recover now they've got a bit more space and they've got some better soil in there. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.